you'll notice how easy I can carry this with the one-shot shovel. I really love this, the sides to make it so things don't fall off. There's a reason why the Root Assassin folks call this the one-shot shovel. You have to admit, this shovel does keep control of what you're trying to do. It doesn't waste any energy or effort. It is truly one shot. I just want to make a note on some other things, some of the tools that I'm using today. You are going to find that when I find something that I love, I can't help but tell you guys about it. And right now, I am falling in love with my shovels for yet another reason. Sometimes you don't need a big shovel. Sometimes you need a needle, which in digging up these bricks and loosening up, I can get into the crannies that a bigger shovel just cannot do. So just another reason that the Root Assassin is just a great all-in-one tool.